have a big male elephant approaching, coming to the water, and it's a vehicle there, enjoying this beautiful sighting of this big elephant. So interesting. Seems like he's coming to the water. There's water right here. It's a beautiful African darter there with the wings open, just to dry the wings, because they can't fly high with the wet wings. Wow, this is super beautiful. And we're gonna see how this approaching elephant, how it will interact with another elephant. There is another elephant on the other side. Oh, it might chase that bird away. Look at that. It's very close to that bird. Oh, it's chasing it away. Like, stay away. Don't stay on my way. The bird is standing its ground. It's not even scared. Not even scared of this elephant. So interesting. Wow, very, very close to the elephant. Just a step, the bird will be gone. Look at that. Poof! Almost! It almost flashed that bird away. Wow, this is beautiful. This is Africa. This is Botswana. So beautiful here.